This is Rambod. Learn to display FPS in Unreal Engine with Widget Blueprints. Alright, let's display the FPS in your game. First, head over to the viewport and enable Show FPS. This ensures the numbers we're about to set up in the Widget Blueprint are accurate. Next, open the content drawer. Right-click, go to User Interface and select Widget Blueprint. Then, pick User Widget. Give it a name like WBP_HUD and double-click to open it. Inside the palette, search for Canvas Panel and drag it into the workspace. Now search for Text Block and drop it onto the Canvas Panel. Here, you can tweak its size, style, and font. But for now, we'll keep it simple since we're focused on showing the FPS. Make sure to check the is variable option and rename it to FPS. Next, create a binding for this text block. In the content binding, search for Get World Delta Seconds. Divide 1 by this value using a divide node, then truncate it to make it an integer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Finally, connect it to the return node. Now, let's link this widget to the game. Go to your third-person character blueprint, find the event begin play, and create a create widget node. Select your WBPHUD class and use the add to viewport node to add it to the screen. And that's it. When you run the game, you'll see the FPS displayed, 119, 120, right there on your screen. Simple, quick, and super useful. Thanks for watching and happy developing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. Your support means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.